to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is how mobile applications are disrupting the entertainment industry. To say that technology become a game changer in our daily lives is an understatement. Technology made our lives easier, convenient, and efficient. It enhanced our relationships by creating an invisible bridge that allows us to stay connected with our loved ones and on other side of the globe and allows us to create new ones. So technology has invaded almost every sector and changed how our societies operate. The entertainment industry has been aggressively utilizing technological innovations to increase user engagement and enhancement and widen its audience. So entertainment applications are shaping the future of the entertainment industry, propelling it further to a great height. Now, open previously restricted doors and change the dynamic of marketing. So entertainment applications become a versatile platform for building to display their talents. So gone are these days when they have to paint tinkly audition at every media station or wait for callback from entertainment agency. Applications such as YouTube and Instagram allowed these natural talents to promote themselves and build a follower base. So some of these applications can provide monetary compensations of these influencers. Previously, access to commercial music was only limited to use of radios and cassette tapes. So, mobile applications are vamped the gaming world. It provided multiplayer options so that gamers can challenge and play with anyone around the globe. These mobile applications also become a marketing media for both large scale enterprises and small businesses as well. It become an effective means of revenue for these businesses and enabled them to interact with their users efficiently. Now, increased user engagement and allow the users flow of the content. Mobile applications are using features like push notification to drive user engagement and enhance their overall experience. Even if users are not on their phones, push notifications are capable of drawing them back and programmed to provide content that will make them stay and crave for more. Access to genuine, helpful, and reliable information also become easier with the use of these applications from like hacks, relevant tips, and latest news. Anyone can get information that they need with a just tap. So it become a handy information tool that is available 24/7 to everyone regardless of time geographical differences. So applications such as a Wattpad and Quora enables us to receive real-time attentions from a wide range of audience. This platform become an avenue to promote unpublished stories, post questions, and receive relevant advances from the field experts. The next point here is monitor market trends and user demands. Before the advent of social media applications, it has a challenging to track the market trends and know the preferences and demands of the customers. Imagine a one-way mirror where the entertainment industry is on one side and audience on the other side, unable to respond to their reactions and unaware of the content that it will make them stick around. So with these mobile applications, the industry is now aware of what works and what not. So it enables companies to develop their marketing strategies efficiently and curate them based on the customers' preferences and behavioral patterns. Our next point here is decreased pirated content and encourage original creation. Now, mobile applications were able to reduce the illegal downloads of movies and songs. Although several streaming websites are still operating illegally, Spotify article gave us useful information about them. So we we as it offers a wide range of songs at an affordable rate. So a study even showed that one way to figure this privacy is to provide reasonably priced legal content instead of enforcement methods. So however, as much as we want to live in a world free from privacy or illegal content, the reality is that there is still a demand of these types of services These online pirates will continue to exist. The only alternative for the industry is to mitigate piracy by developing more innovations and applications to satisfy the demand of consumers. The next point come here is streaming applications are on the verge of overtaking traditional TV. Now, home streaming applications such as Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Amazon Prime, and many other gained traction and attracted millions of subscribers worldwide. While there is no Netflix or other apps for the Mac, there are reliable providers like a Setapp.com that offer streaming alternative to satisfy these users' demand. So experts predict that these services will gain more subscribers and the market to grow exponentially in the future. Additionally, more media companies are collaborating with this streaming platform, wholeheartedly embracing the digital streaming platform to widen the audience. What sets these streaming applications apart from traditional TV is that they offer flexibility to their viewers. Users have complete control of what they want to consume, a feature that conventional TV cannot provide. Viewers can choose when and how they want to watch their preferred content. They can watch it on the several platforms such as a mobile phone, tablet, computer, smart TVs on their gadgets. They can also stream it on any device, both online and offline, compared to the traditional TV where commercials are inevitable and irritating. Many of these streaming services offer ad-free viewing, making it preferred choice for the user. So, use engagement increased with the digitalization of the entertainment industry. These mobile applications are continuously being updated to make them more convenient to their users. These services will continue to transform the entertainment industry landscape and help this dynamic sector to bring it more profit. So thank you so much for watching this video. We'll continue providing such videos which will give you some piece of advice, uh, piece of information so that you will be able to grasp the new knowledge, new technology on daily basis. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to Research Circle. Thank you so much.